Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Remitly. So let's get into the video. So as you know, you can use Remitly to send money internationally to more than 130 countries. So it's pretty easy and instant money transfer. So how it works is that firstly, open up Remitly. So you need to sign up for Remitly. You need to open up your account. It's completely free, so you can just sign up with your personal details. And once you're already signed up, then what you can do, you can go to my Remitly here and then provide your ID documents so that your account will get verified. Okay, so because otherwise there will be some restrictions on the transactions that you can make if your profile is not verified. So just hit on profile information, and then you'll have the option here to verify your account. You just need to provide your IDs. That's it. So once that's done, you'll have this verified tick, and your limits will be removed. So that's done, and then you can add payment methods here. Click on payment methods, and then here you can just add how you want to make payments. So you click on add and then choose whether you want to pay using your card or your bank account. So how do you want to send money from? So you can just set that up. So once you have set that up, so what you can do now here, you can easily send money to any country here. So on your top left here, click on the country option here, and then choose any country where you want to send the money to. So once you have selected that, hit on send money, and then now here you can add your recipients, like the details of the person who you want to send the money to. So you can do that. And then here we come to the receiving details. So as a how do you want your receiver to receive your money? So you have a variety of options here, a wide range of options in digital ways. For example, like bank deposits, you want the money to be straight away deposited into your receiver's bank account, so they don't have to do anything. So it will be directly deposited to their account, and it's zero fees. There's no charges for it. And then you have the mobile money as well, like for example, if you want it to be sent to their Gcash or something like that one. Or you also have cash options where you can set where your recipient can also pick up the cash from a pickup point. Or you can also have the home delivery where the amount will be delivered to their house. So these are a variety of options you can choose. So you can choose any option here. So okay, so for example, cash pickup, if you choose that, and then here now just type in the amount, how much you wish to send, type that in, and then you will see the exchange rate and how much they will receive the currency. And then once you're done, hit on continue. And then here, since I choose cash pickup, so I have to select the pickup point where the receiver will collect it. But if you have used, like for example, mobile bank deposit, then type in the deposit of the details of the bank of the receiver's banking details, type that in, and then hit on continue, and then finish up the transaction, and money will be sent to your recipient instantly. And also you can also click on, if you go to here on your settings option here, my Remitly option, you will see rewards here. So based on your frequency, you can refer friends, and then you can invite friends and then make them join and use Remitly, and you'll get rewards, and you can also redeem those rewards. So you'll have information on that on here under rewards section. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy, and it's pretty easy to use, and it's instant. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.